This is your fourth speech. Now, it was introduced that she's been a Toastmaster for over a year. So she writes a speech every 3 months. Is that the case?
I'm not a model.
Need a checklist for that, I guess.
The fourth speech is how to say it. You're supposed to use short words and short sentences, but you're supposed to be vivid. What does vivid mean? It means that the word conveys some sort of strong meaning. Janice, you're comfortable up here. You don't have the fear that some of us had when we were starting Toastmasters. And as a matter of fact, we had a conversation before we started that. She has decided, instead of waiting every 3 months to give one speech, that she's going to go ahead and give the speech. Let's do it. And for our potential member, and for those of you who are just starting, just do it. Don't wait until it's perfect. Cakes, yes. Speeches, no. Janice, you're comfortable up here, and your speech was very good at short words, short sentences, but there were a few things that I have to point out.
Do you have to?
Yes.
I have to.
Okay.
When you started out with a and a joke. Starting out with a joke is good. When you sigh up here, though, you sigh to the audience. You don't go, it's present to the audience. That was another thing. You were talking to some people out there. That's why you were comfortable. You weren't talking to us. You were talking to them, and they're all having lunch. They weren't paying attention to you, so yeah, it doesn't matter what you say. On your eye contact, it should be to the audience, I think. There are times when, oh gosh, I'm thinking about something, and I'm looking out into space. But when I'm talking to people, I'm talking to the people in here, to my audience. I'm not talking to that window or that light bulb over there. A little bit more practice. But don't wait another 3 months to write another speech. Start writing them now. Practice a little bit. You had to read the speech a little bit. That's okay, but it's noticeable. It's noticeable. So the more practice you do on your speeches, the better you will be. But you know what? Doing the speech is the first most important thing. So that's a good thing. Now, you had a chance to do vividness and rhetorical things. And you talked about missing underwear. Okay? That nobody would notice. But you did talk about international travel and carrying toilet paper, and there was an opportunity. If you don't do it, then you could always take a legal pad with you, right? It's just not the same thing. You missed an opportunity there. I didn't hear a lot of vividness. But you did the speech. You're comfortable up here, and your voice is good. So, good job.